So I'll be showing you how to double space in a Google Docs document. So the first thing you want to do is select the area of the Google Docs document that you want to double space. If it's the entire document, just go ahead and select the entire document. Now, once you do that, you can just go to the menu bar at the top here, and you should see this icon here called line and paragraph spacing, and you can click on that. Alternatively, you can go to the format menu and then go to line and paragraph spacing, and then you should get the same menu. Now here, all you have to do is click on double. Now what this does is it doubles the current spacing you have. So currently I have 1.15, and so when I double it, it's going to be 2.3. So click on double, and you can see that's 2.3 spacing, which is for me it's a bit much. So alternatively, to get a custom line spacing, you can go back to that menu, and instead of selecting double or selecting whatever you're selecting, just come here and click on custom spacing, and then you can have a custom spacing. So for instance, let's say I want it at 1.45, right? So I can just come and type 1.45, click on apply, and that's the spacing that's going to be applied exactly. So that's custom spacing in a Google Docs document. So basically that is how to double line spacing in a Google Docs document. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.